United Credit is positioning itself as one of the strongest low-interest credit options currently available, especially for individuals and small businesses looking to borrow without being trapped by aggressive rates. This offer is designed around accessibility, predictability, and long-term affordability rather than short-term gains for the lender. The low-interest structure starts with fixed annual rates that remain stable throughout the repayment period. Borrowers are not exposed to sudden increases that can turn manageable debt into a financial burden. For example, a $10,000 loan under this offer carries interest that is significantly lower than most traditional credit cards, saving borrowers hundreds of dollars over the life of the loan. Monthly repayments are calculated clearly from the beginning, allowing precise budgeting without hidden adjustments. United Credit also removes many of the common fees associated with borrowing. There are no surprise processing charges, no early repayment penalties, and no inflated administrative costs added quietly into the contract. This transparency means a borrower taking $5,000 knows exactly how much will be repaid in total, down to the dollar, before signing anything. Approval criteria focus more on income stability than perfect credit history. This makes the offer particularly attractive for people rebuilding credit or entrepreneurs managing cash flow. Loan amounts scale responsibly, starting from smaller sums like $1,000 and extending to higher limits depending on repayment capacity, not aggressive lending tactics. Funds are released quickly once approved, often within a few business days, allowing borrowers to act immediately on personal expenses, business opportunities, or debt consolidation. By replacing high-interest balances with a single low-interest payment, many users reduce monthly costs and regain financial control. This offer is structured for borrowers who value long-term financial health. It emphasizes realistic repayment, lower total interest paid in dollars, and a clear path out of debt rather than deeper into it.